zeros. Oh.
See, that's called.
And then you also have your
Wow.
Okay.
which should go.
I'm rolling.
Ready?
Yeah, just forget I'm here.
Oh, okay. Alright, we are going to study quadratic equations. The basic form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay? It is known as a quadratic equation because it has a degree 2. A degree of an equation means the highest power of x in it. So you can see a degree of 2 here. That is why it is called a quadratic equation. We will be working on this quadratic equation to find the zeros of this equation. Zeros of the equation means that the values of x at which this equation becomes 0. As this is a quadratic equation and the degree of x is 2, it will be having 2 zeros. They are also known as the roots of the equation. So whenever you have to count the roots of the equation or the zeros of the equation, they are equal to the number which is the highest power of x. So if I write a cubic equation, there will be 3 zeros. If I write an equation with 4 powers, it will be having 4 zeros. So this is a quadratic equation. It will be having only 2 zeros. Are you getting it? No? X plus c equals 0. This is a term with x squared in it. And 2 is the highest power of x in this equation.
Oh,
So
okay.
it is known as a quadratic equation.
Alright.
Okay? Getting it now?
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
All on the same page.
Alright.
That's what you do, and put it on easy reader.
So we will have to find the zeros of this equation. So there is a basic formula, a basic rule to find the zeros of this equation. And it is x equals negative b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times c. Good, very good, Lisa. Very good. Square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a.
Got it.
Alright. This is your b, this is your a, and this is your c. You'll have to take care of the signs here because they really matter a lot when you find the solution.
It won't let me log on to my.
You don't
Okay.
know?
Okay.
Let's try an equation. Suppose
Oh, shit.
3x squared plus
And
2x
that has a lot to do with it.
Well,
Because
I
Plus
needed to log
1
on to log off, you know,
equals
because it was,
0. Let us
and I
change
put
to
in my password.
negative 1.
Let me bring it up.
So equation is 3x squared plus 2x minus 1 equals 0. We'll try to find the zeros of this
It
equation.
says, Windows cannot connect
Okay.
to the domain.
So we'll use this
Because the
formula.
domain controllers is down or
X
otherwise
equals,
available because
what is
your
your b
computer
here?
account
We'll
is
write the
not
values of
active.
a, b and c. What is a?
A is 3.
A is 3. What is b?
Okay, I'm sorry.
B is 2. What is c? Negative 1. We plug in these values here.
What's this?
Minus b is 2 plus minus square root of b square, which is 2 square, minus 4 times a is 3 times c is negative 1 all over 2 times a is 3.
Yes.
All over 2 times 3.
Alright now.
We will simplify this to calculate the values. Minus 2 plus minus square root of 2 square is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times negative 1?
Negative.
Negative 12.
Negative 12.
Negative of negative 12 is a positive 12. All over 2 times 3 is 6, which is equal to negative 2 plus minus square root of 16 over 6. That means x has two values, minus 2
So,
minus square root of 16 over 6 and minus 2 plus square root of 16 over 6. What is square root of 16? 4. So x equals minus 2 minus 4 over 6 and minus 2 plus 4 over 6. Right? When we calculate this, we get negative 1 and 1 over 3. So this is your solution.
So the values of
X are
X
negative
are
1 and 1 over 3. Look, you got two values, two real roots, two zeros of the equation. Right?
I remember.
Right? It's known as what? Discriminant. And this decides what sort of roots does the equation have. This realizes the behavior of the roots, the behavior of the zeros. By looking at this quantity, we can tell what is the behavior of the zeros or the roots. So whenever b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the equation has repeated roots. Why? We will see it here through this equation. If you plug in 0 in place of this, x equals minus b over 2a. So equation has two repeated roots, minus b over 2a comma minus b over 2a. When b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 or equal to 0, it has real roots.
Yeah. Where are we? I'm the expert at this stuff before we leave.
And when b square minus 4ac is less than 0, the roots are imaginary. We have imaginary roots. Very good. What about you, Joel? Alright, good night. Well, we are only looking at minus b square minus 4ac. We determining the behavior of the roots.
what? Oh, Mr. Innocent, he's so cute.
Very good. Right? Now, we will study how to factorize quadratic equations. Is it your favorite topic, Lisa? Good. Factorizing quadratic.
Girl, wait a minute.
Okay.
Okay.
Hurry it up.
Well, I can't get by.
Oh, he's camping, isn't he?
Zero.
Yeah, probably.
Now we will find the root of this quadratic equation by factorizing it. So in order to factorize it, the simplest way is to look at the coefficient of x squared, which is 1 here. You look at the your c, which is 8. You know 1 times 8 is 8. You find the factors of 8. Suppose I say 4 and 2. I'll try to make this middle number using these factors by adding it to No. Yeah. When you're factorizing it, the negative ones you get. Yeah. You know 4 minus 2 is? So I'm going to split this term into two parts. X squared plus 4x minus 2x minus 8 equals 0. Now you look at these two terms. What can I pull out of this? An x. What is there? What can I pull out of this?
Oh, I don't know about that. I don't know. I really think it was scheduled.
Right? This is a very important coordinate equation you have to take care of. Right? Equals 0. Now what can I pull out of the whole equation? I pull out an x plus 4 and I am left with this x, this minus 2 is equals 0. If I say the product of two numbers is 0,
Oh.
then at least one of them should be 0. When you multiply two numbers,
Oh.
you get the result as 0, right? So either these are the roots. That's good. Understanding? Getting it? Okay. Say yes. At least say yes.
Oh yeah, I'm getting mad.
Say no like this.
Yeah.
Alright.
Could I get you to do something for me? That light right there behind them, it just needs to be moved this way just a little bit. And I'll tell you,
Or you want the whole ball?
the whole pole, I'll tell you right where to stop.
Do it. Yes, you can.
I'll draw more stuff.
The value of x is -3. So there is only one root. Only one root?
Yeah.
But this is a quadratic equation.
Because it will end up being x plus 3 squared.
Yeah.
That's exactly what I got too.
So what is the behavior of roots in this? A real root?
No, repeated.
A repeated root.
Oh
So there are actually two roots.
yeah.
So it's
X equals -3 comma -3. Always remember the quadratic equation always have two roots. You can never say it has one root because it has a degree 2. Okay, Lisa?
my bad. I'm sorry.
No,
Oh, I'm good.
we're in a process of learning,
Somewhere in
right?
Oh, where you're
Alright. Would you like to do another question? Or would you like to learn something different? So would you like to learn how to sketch graphs?
Yeah, let's do
I
that.
don't like graphs. We don't have a graph here, so that's.
No, we can graph this.
Yeah, you just gotta make it grab.
I'm lousy at graphs.
Do you want to study functions? Yeah, we are studying.
Oh.
Okay. Suppose I say f x equals x plus 3, which is actually y. So this is saying that y is a function of x, which is actually x plus 3. If I tell you to choose between y and x and tell me which of these is a dependent variable and which of them is an independent variable, what will you say?
I would say x is independent.
How'd you get
This is
that?
5.995.
No, it isn't.
I exactly
Five
told you
is
how to
straight
do
up, lined up.
Dude, I gotta do stuff a lot of times before I figure it out.
it. That's why you're doing it.
I know. Hey, let me set that thing back.
Wait, can you put another one on there?
I'm sorry, this is just fun.
You know what he said, 5 is lined up with 5.
Oh yeah, this one.
See?
This is 5.995.
Alright, G.
Don't get it twisted,
So
son.
you're sitting there twitching.
I don't see.
Let someone else sit here.
Mm.
Then we'll show you.
Whoa.
I gotta study
We'll
with
show
someone
you.
over
Already
there.
had
Like,
your
I
chance.
know.
You're taking too long.
Well, dude, maybe I'm a little slow, alright?
I'm
Us
slow.
retards that haven't went to college yet, they give us a break. Us that haven't had the measurement class, gotta give us a break.
I haven't had measurement class. I'm just giving you. Yeah, I'm just telling you.
Whatever you
See
boys
that
got.
big mark? Take it good. Alright, you ought to have it down by now.
No.
Hey, hurry and get hurt.
Hurry. Shake hands with danger. Just our job sheets, probably.
I'm about to fail that job. She's partner.
I know, man. We gotta.
This is more.
Really?
You
It's
better
been
give
about
me,
5 minutes explaining mine.
you better give me a day to get that job, one job sheet done.
Yeah, there. Getting there.
I like that noise. Oh, we're videotaping right
Alright, let me look at it now, because I don't remember. Okay, we know it's 5:50 mark, right? Everybody agree with that?
Huh? It's past the what?
It's past the 50 marks. Everybody agree with that?
Yes.
Except for a little bitty slash. Everybody agree with that, right?
Yep. Yep.
Everybody agree with that?
Yep.
So, it's really close. That's 46, 47, 48, 49. So you know it's plus 49, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's 5.99. But wait a minute, it falls between that 49 and 50, right?
Yep.
So you know that it's not 6 point whatever, right?
Yep.
So it's when you look at your vernier scale, right? And you look and you figure out which one it is, and it is 5.
So it's just under 6.
I said it was 4 the vernier scale. Well, how did I mess up 5? Yeah, I got 50.
I don't know what you did.
You didn't add
Why didn't I add the 40? That's what
No,
I'm
you
saying.
didn't add this part. That's what you didn't do. You didn't add the barrel.
Got the 5
It
right.
don't matter if you lose by an inch.
Or a millimeter.
Losing.
Missing
So,
is
has everybody got a
missing.
basic idea how to roll with that?
No.
Other than the vernier.
You don't?
Where'd you 40? You put it's.
The 49's right here, the barrel.
I
Look at
don't see it.
what'd you get?
You got 6.
Oh, you got
point
6
something.
Well, I put 6 because I thought it was on the 0, or thought it was 6. Anyways, so it's 5.
Uh-huh. You get to 5,
Okay.
and you see that little small slash after the 5, right?
Yep.
So you know that's 5.50, right?
Yep. All right.
Okay, but you got to add this barrel side because it's not on exactly 0.
Yeah, it's in
So you
between.
know it's not 6
But you round
millimeters.
down.
So
It'd be
you
49.
start out at 45, 46, 47, 48. It's between the 49 and the 50 mark, right?
Yep. And then
So it would be exactly 6 millimeters, but it's
Okay.
not.
then
So
you're
now you got to
on-
use your vernier scale. So which one of those lines up exactly with the barrel side?
It's 5.
Hmm?
It's 5.
Show me what you just
It's
taught
5,
him.
I understand.
Do that
Okay.
again.
Alright. So, a little half mark in between there. We know we're past, we know we have 0.5, right? But now you always got to see what this barrel side's doing. Okay, if this 0 was lined up exactly with this line, it'd be 6 millimeters, right? But it's not. So you got to count 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. That line, it falls in between the 49 and the 50 mark.
So it's you
So
round
you know
down.
it's round down, right? It's 49. It's 5.99. But remember, it doesn't fall exactly on here or here, so you got to use your vernier scale now. So you go up and you see which one of those line up exactly. This side and this side.
Oh,
Isn't it the 5?
Yeah.
It's a 5. So right there, you see it says 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 5.
Would you count off if I got all that right, except I put a 4 instead of that 5 on the
No.
vernier scale?
That's close enough.
Close enough.
We have.
So I thought it was the 4.
Because usually on the metrics, it's around like the 3,000ths. You can be off and
'Cause
still be right.
I thought it was the 4 because the 4 looks just like perfect.
But that goes back to
My
parallax.
My eye is
Remember?
kind of like this anyway.
When you get straight on it and look, or you might have to get straight on it and look like that.
My
That's why
hand's
I said
crooked,
it's
so
talking about parallax.
I don't get it.
So that's your standard of metric mics, okay?
What do we gotta do now?
Dial indicator.
Dial indicator.
Man,
The
we
head's
had
a
a break
dial
time?
indicator.
Dial indicator.
Okay, is it break yet?
I don't know. I want to go get some chips.
It's 9:30. Break.
Okay. Well, right now we're shooting. So
Yep.
let's do the dial.